So madami kasi na alam kong lot owners nagpo-post lang on the internet just to get a feel of the market. So maraming nadideceive na akala nila yun ang correct pricing ng properties nila. Iba yung sa market versus yung asking price or what's in the online available. Hey guys, Realtor Mike here. How are you? New Valley update. What's happening in New Valley, the most recent? Well, massive yung commercial expansion ng Solinad Malls. As you can see in my background. Yan. 4 cranes yan. So, no one still knows about the plans here. Anong gagawin? That's the Landers over there. Tapos dito naman yung SNR. In preparation for the coming of SM Yulo Premier. Not yet the official name, but very big development just outside New Valley, katabi ng Healthway Qualimed. So it's exciting times. Wala pang plans na nag-leak out on either Solinad 3, Solinad 4, or whatever, no, kung ano man ang plan nila. And sa SM Yulo Premier. No, if you have info, let us know here. Exciting times. So, Paseo, ano naman, ang Vista Mall is nag-overhaul ng mga tenants nila, no? Digital walkers there and some other new tenants. So they're bracing for the coming of these 2 giants in the area. So yun yung commercial aspect of what's happening in New Valley, no? And just outside New Valley. So paging on Paseo Malls, wala pa ako nakikitang development. Jumping now to Central Block. Behind me, the future Merrimart will be done late this year. General activity in New Valley, couple of major roads doing road expansion. You can also see sa main road, the giant water pipes. So nag-expand talaga. In the few areas, meron tayong pedestrian walkways. It's really interesting that after we shot a video imploring the developer to put pedestrian sites with more connectivity, they started doing it. I don't know if it's by design or someone saw my video, but still, thank you to Ayalan for answering that call. Slowly, they're putting pedestrians walkways sa mga villages to interconnect everything. Traffic lights. There are 2 intersections here that I know that they're putting up traffic lights dahil medyo dumadami na yung kotse. Although it's being maintained by security guards, security officers who's manning the traffic, nagkakaroon pa rin ng mga incidents of accidents. That's why I hope for the future expansion, let's not wait for the accidents to happen. Let's be proactive, not reactive. Wala pang problema, gawa na natin since we will do it anyway. Let's minimize yung mga aksidente. I'd like to talk about the Valley Driving Range and its new venue. No? It's a sort of a catalyst in a new discovery here in New Valley. Driving range and the new venue, the Miranda, is located at New Valley South. So it's the first, I think, driving range as a restaurant na legit. The food is good, professionally done. So yung mga taga New Valley, the residents of New Valley, do not go out anymore or minimize their going out. Take out sila ng food sa New Valley Driving Range. And or they just do their breakfast there, their meetings there, and they just chill there, no? Sa area, no? Sa New Valley Driving Range. Etong Central Block na to has so much potential. This is kasi located in the heart of New Valley. Okay, so soon, end of this year, Merrimart will be open. Along hopefully with the shops here. Ito, yun yung Merrimart na sa likod na yun na ginagawa, no? Just in front of it is the shops at New Valley. It's going to be made by Ayala Land Small Group, no? And then these lots behind me, 37 lots sila, ranges 900 square meters to 1,000 square meters. Private developers will build 4-story buildings that they can rent out to commercial entities such as banks, barbershops, restaurants. I can just imagine at the back of Central Block kasi yung Xavier School. It's a 15-hectare big development. While waiting for the kids, no, yung ganyan yung behavior, no. While waiting for the students, the moms, the parents are here all around here waiting for them, no. So perfect place for a tutorial center, a breakfast place, a coffee shop. So that's my fearless forecast dito sa Central Block na to, no, because of what happened in New Valley Driving Range. There's still some properties for sale here. Let me know if you're interested. No? To Evo Zone, the CBD, Commercial Business District. of Nuvali, located at near Solinat, no? Part of Nuvali North. Yun. Behind me, it's the Monochrome, the very famous venue spot. They hold weddings there and all the different occasions. Sunday, they have church. Victory is there. Tapos ito, this new building. We call it Nuvali Techno Hub. Parang UP Techno Hub. Then over there, yun. If you can see, no? It's the Calma building yan, no? I think it's a museum for something, you know. I'll put the picture here. Hindi pa siya finished, but it's going to be a very artistic building by a designer, the family Calma, no? Carlo Calma. Yan. And here naman, behind me there, yan, yung LHK building. Yan, so it's I think one of the first buildings here na ano siya, PEZA certified, good for retail, wala pang tenants yan. As an update, anong pinaka-importante? Pricing of the villages here, no? So madami kasi na pricing on the internet that I think it's 10-15% more than market. What is market? Market is the price that someone is willing to pay currently of the property. So it's entirely different from the asking price. So madami na alam kong lot owners nagpo-post lang on the internet just to get a feel of the market. So maraming nadideceive na akala nila yun ang correct pricing nung properties nila. So iba yung sa market. Market is the actual done pricing versus yung asking price or what's in the online available. So how do you find out? Since wala tayong comps or comparables sa Pilipinas, unlike in the States, in some other countries, you rely on your trusted real estate professional who practices in the area, whom you trust, of course, para sila yung magsasabi kung magkano yung actual transaction na nagawa na nila or yung mga brokers nila, partner brokers nila in the area who have done transactions. So you can get a better feel of the market price. Kasi pag masyado mataas yung property mo than actual market, it will not sell. So people are asking, bakit ang tagal-tagal sa market niyan? Siguro walang bumibili niyan. That's I want to dispute that. There's always a buyer for, especially in this area, New Valley, up and coming area in the Philippines. Of course, ba rin yung from the developer. We'll discuss that in a separate video. So ang pricing dito, well, let's go for the Ayalan Premiers, no? Pricing ng Abrio and Santiera, which is the more famous Ayalan Premier, since they're the first two. And they're located nearest to the malls, no? Ang asking dyan is anywhere from 50 to 55,000 pesos per square meter. Anything more than that, I feel it's over asking na yun, over the realistic asking. Ang mga done dyan, since the sellers are especially in Abrio, mga AAA, na they're not really quick to sell. A little, siguro 5% difference tawad siguro from that price, no? Let's continue with the pricing sa ALP. Santiera, I see in inventory online and some co-brokers sending me their listings. Ang pricing anywhere from 40,000 to 50,000 pesos per square meter. Of course, again, depending on the lot, corner ba, facing east, the shape. Yung Rio Monte, where Ayala Land went big on the village but went small on the lots. Nag-start sila doon ng 418. They are primarily targeting end users because they studied that the first few, yung Abrio, Santiera, Laro, and Montecito, karamihan, the buyers were basically investors dahil ang laki ng cut. So they went big on the village but small on the lots. 480 meron, 480 square meters and up. So dyan may makikita pa kayong 35,000 to 45,000. Anywhere 40,000 pesos per square meter below, I think are good buys. But of course, again, let me emphasize, it really depends on the cut, size, orientation, location versus the amenities, and if you really like the property. If you like the property, please buy it kahit may konting premium than the regular market price, because it's always over time it will correct when things are in the 90,000, 100,000 pesos, 1,000 per square meter yan in the future. I do not know when you will say that, oy, konting diferensya na lang yun, I should have bought it, no? Bargains naman, Soliento, I think, with the courtyard concept, for me it's undiscovered, but because I think that many have not appreciated the beauty of Soliento, yung courtyard concept. Yung courtyard concept, as discussed in my other videos, are parang cul-de-sac siya na medyo malaki siya na merong park in between. So it was done in Los Cara, courtyards in Alabang, and Andasillo. Ang ganda ng concept na yon, na that your street is very private. Yung papasok sa loob ng street nyo are only people who want to go inside or are lost. Tapos sa gitna nung ano na yun, yung courtyard na yun, sa nice park, parang may mini park in between. So I foresee that may maintain ng ano yun, ng homeowners, and then the homeowners themselves in that particular courtyard will put benches there, probably a playground or something like that, na pagandahan ng courtyard yan, no? So I think it's undiscovered. May rush sale, no, na 30,000 pesos per square meter. In Soliento, there are 35,000 pesos per square meter, may 40,000 pesos per square meter. Vis-a-vis what Ayala Land Premier is marketing now. So they're marketing a few more lots in Arcillo and in Enara. Ang price niyan anywhere from 60 to 70,000 pesos per square meter. Yes, you heard it right. 60,000 to 70,000 pesos per square meter. So if you get a Soliento at 30, 35 or any other Ayala Land Premier at 40 below, I think it's a great bargain, no? Although, of course, from the developer, yung Ayala Land Premier and Alveo, yung Alveo ganun din, no? Anywhere from 50 to 60,000 pesos per square meter. May mga terms yon. So meron pang cash term, merong 18% discount for cash payments, but there are zero interest payment terms for, yung zero interest for 4 years. Meron na yung 10-20% nila, and then lump sum sa end. You can pay in cash, pay partly by bank finance. So these are good deals, no? If you were to ask me, what will I buy, a secondary market or a primary market? Let's talk about it. It really depends on your financial situation. It really depends on your targets. Kung titiran nyo ba agad or investment lang, or both, no? Either investment and titiran, no? So let's talk about it. One is not better than the other. It's a situational thing. Alveo naman, let's go to Alveo secondary market. Venari and Trevia, yung pinakaunang dalawa, no? They're asking 40,000 to 50,000 pesos per square meter. So I think the done transactions are a little bit less than that. Siguro 5-10% less than that. Why is it overlaps with Ayala Land Premier? Dahil it's an easier way to get into New Valley, a nice village, na smaller yung capital that you will spend in buying a lot or a house. Those are the pricing as of February 2025. If you have any questions, give me a ring, give me a call. So yun ang trends, general trends in New Valley, no? Very exciting times, very dynamic. It's Ayala Showcase again, dun sa mga estates nila na thriving talaga. So yun muna. So this Realtor Mike saying, stay safe and stay in faith. God bless. Bye.